Alright folks, just going to do an unboxing video of a couple of heaters I've got here. Both are 300 watt. 300 watt all punch oceans. APS is also what it's called. Second up is an Eheim thermal control, which is 300 watt as well. As you can see, quite a sizable difference in these. Right, I'll open up the all punch one first. As you can see, that's about 12.5 inches. And this is an important factor, is the cable length. Just doubled it over. So I'm not measuring that, it's going to be impossible one-handed. Easily 2 meters long, which is a good length. This heater was, I'm sure it was about £10. I've also got a few of these, not a few of these, I've got one of these that looks almost identical, but it's branded as a Sun, which I hear a lot of the folks overseas talking about. So I think it's just a rebranding. Exact same. Identical. Right, on to the Eheim, which I'm sure is called a Jager or Jager. Hopefully not a Jager bomb, but because that's a whole different ball game. Again, very similar dial on the top. It's definitely not the same, but God, that's well packaged, that. It's got its own little stand on the bottom of it to keep it central in the box. Again, the cables. Yeah, it's easily the same length of cable. Easily the same, so around 2 meters of cable. Could always do with an extra metre or so in the fish hut. It's quite annoying sometimes. A couple of the ones I've got even shorter cables. Focus. So let's check the measurements, the length of this. I had pre-measured the box first, so I'd roughly know what length to leave the tape out at. So we're talking 19 and 3/4 inch, something like that. So that's a big mother. I'll put them side by side so you can see a comparison, if I can without smashing them. Huge. So this one was priced at £21.95. Twice the price. Build quality looks quite a bit better actually. You can see it's a better finish on the plastic on the top. It also says, you can see that, made in Germany. And I generally like things that are made in Germany. For example, my 2008 325i convertible, which is made in Germany. So I'll let you know how I got on with these. I only actually need one at the minute. I swap them out every year or so, maybe every 18 months tops. I've seen too many horror stories regarding heaters sticking on and boiling fish, so I don't fancy that in my hands. Just a little glimpse of the 4-foot bowl with the mbuna before I head off. So there you go folks, take care, cheers for watching.